In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Godaddy website but keep your domain. This tutorial is essential for those who wish to start anew with their site design or want to take a different direction with their online presence without giving up their established domain name. Let's get started. First and foremost, you need to be able to access your Godaddy account. Begin by navigating to the Godaddy website. Look for the sign in option, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Next, you'll be prompted to provide your account credentials. Type in your username and password in the respective fields. If you've forgotten them, don't worry. Godaddy offers a simple process to retrieve or reset your account details. Once you've entered your information, click on the Sign In button to access your dashboard. Now that you're in your account, it's time to locate the website you want to delete. Move your cursor to the Website section. Here, you'll see a list or an overview of your current Godaddy website or websites. Find the one you wish to delete and click on Edit Website. This action will take you into the website builder or editor mode for that specific site. Within the website builder, you'll notice various options and settings. Your next step is to locate the Settings option. Typically, this can be found in the header or sidebar menu, but the layout may vary depending on updates or changes to the Godaddy website builder's interface. Once you find Settings, click on it to proceed to the next step. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find various configurations and options related to your website's operation and appearance. Look for an option labeled Unpublish. This is what you need to click on next. The action of unpublishing your website is what effectively makes your site invisible to the public and search engines, but it doesn't delete your domain, which is exactly what we are aiming for. After clicking on Unpublish, a confirmation dialog or window will likely appear. This is a standard safety feature designed to prevent accidental deletions or changes. It's asking for your final approval before the website goes offline. Look for a button or link that says Yes, Unpublish or something along those lines. Click on it to confirm your decision. A moment after you confirm, your website should be unpublished. Your site's content is no longer public, but your domain is active and remains in your control. This is crucial as it allows you to either rebuild your website from scratch or redirect your domain to a new website in the future without losing the brand recognition or SEO benefits you've already built up. Let's briefly touch on a couple of important points. First, even though your site is unpublished, your content is not automatically deleted. You might still have access to your pages, images, and other site elements within your Godaddy account for a while, in case you change your mind or need to retrieve anything. Second, keeping your domain means you continue to renew it annually with Godaddy. Ensuring your domain registration does not lapse is vital to keeping ownership of the name. In summary, unpublishing your Godaddy website while retaining your domain name is straightforward. Log into your account, navigate to your website settings, and select to unpublish. However, remember that this action doesn't eliminate your account's connection to the domain. You'll still be responsible for renewing the domain annually to maintain ownership. With your website now unpublished and your domain safe, you're free to explore new directions for your online presence without losing the recognition and value you've built up in your current domain. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it has provided you with clear instructions on how to navigate through Godaddy's dashboard and make these necessary changes. If you're planning a new project or simply taking a break from your online presence, you now have the knowledge to do so without giving up your valuable digital real estate.